Oh, you're right, guys. We've got a cold spell coming for about 2 weeks, starting Saturday. So I'm trying to get as much done outside as I can. I like filming outside. I don't like filming indoors. Got to get some chilies in, chili seeds, pepper seeds. But first of all, as usual, quick shout out to the latest club members: Kate, Philip, Alan, and Olivia. Thanks a lot, guys. Your welcome packs are in the post, or they'll be in the post today. Olivia watches my channel primarily for the cooking, but she wants to get into gardening, so she's opted to receive the seeds rather than cooking bits and pieces. Nice one, guys. Right, let's get on with it, eh? Right, I've got a fair few seeds to sow, actually. I think it's 6 peppers and 11 chilies. So what I'm going to do is going to label everything up ready, and then see if you're getting bored with it, you know what I mean? Right then, as you can see, I'm using 2 of my Agrolans. Fantastic. I tell you what a brilliant idea. It's so easy to use, you know? And I'm using, Levington F2S compost. The S is the sand, as I said before, and it helps it fall into the modules a little bit easier. My tray's been sat outside, so there's a few bits and pieces in there. It's always a bit awkward working like this with this raised lip here, but I'd do anything for my public, you know. Right, what we need to do, always have a look underneath like this. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, look at that. If you've got a 1/2 inch gap there, when you water them, the water won't soak up because the compost isn't to the bottom, look. So let's get all these done first, and then yeah, another cold spell coming apparently, only down to 0-ish, but you know, it's fair by the gardener, me, you know what I mean? I don't want to be outside I'd rather be enjoying myself gardening, not sort of suffering, you know. Then again, I suppose it's an incentive to work harder and keep warm, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, see, there's a couple there, look, not... God, it's hard against the light looking at that. Yeah, that'll do. Just smooth it all off. Right. Let's make me little dimples. There we go, that'll do. And right in. I'll go through this lot quickly, then I'll speed you up. You don't want to see me sowing every single one. So we have Anaheim, hot pepper Anaheim. I like those. Well, I like all of them actually. Apache, basket of fire, one of my favourite. They're great in the hanging baskets. I'll tell you what, I'll put those, which way can I do this? Yeah, if I do it, that's it, I'll do it like that, so they're in order. Look. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Cayenne, great for cooking, cayenne. Golden cayenne, that come from the Veg Growers Podcast Club. That's a nice one, that was. They stayed until November. I was still picking those in November outdoors. That's a new one on me, the habanero chocolate from Seed Parade, so I'll try that. I like the habanero anyway. Jalapeno, everyone's favourite. Not many seeds left of that, so I'll have to renew them next year. These run out at the end of 23 anyway, so not really. Macapichu, that's a new one on me from Seed Parade, so I get to try that as well. Onivet, one of my favourites, nice big long ones. Padron. Now, I've got my own saved seeds of Padron, but I've hedged my bets and I've bought some, and I'll be sowing my own seeds in a different tray. I really want to get the Padrons again. I liked them last year. Another one from the Veg Growers Podcast Club, Roxy, hot pepper Roxy. And right, we're on to the sweet ones now. Banana, that was a nice one last year. See, I'm not a great fan of the great big... Now, it's a bit weird, I'm going to say it. I'm not a great fan of the common bell peppers. You know, some of them, they just, when I eat them, they leave, I don't know, leave a taste, you know? But the ones I'm going to mention now, I like, so... yeah, Banana, California Wonder, that was nice last year. And this is my favourite, Citrina, I love that one. It doesn't taste like a pepper at all to me, nice yellow colour. Hey, what's this one? Hello. Hello. Yeah, it is hello. I used to call it Halo, it's hello. Now, loads of seeds in that one, and they think they run out at the end of this year. Yeah, so I have to get on with them. King of the North, which is, yeah, it can get quite big. That is probably just on my limit of tasty peppers, if you know. It's hard to explain, you know. Sometimes when you have like a peppery meal, say like, I don't know, beef with peppers, the peppers are overpowering, they take away the taste of the meal, but these don't. I know what I'm talking about. And these from Robert, thank you very much, buddy. Paprika seeds, never tried this before. So I'm going to repack it then, that's what that's for. Yes, I'll be growing those as well. So now they're all upside down. I'll turn them the right way round and start sowing. That's it. It's a method in my madness, really. Okay, so I got 7 by 7, so I was going to do 7 in each. 1 in each little dimple. I think 1 will do. Yeah, I can always. I've got plenty of time to do a re-sowing, if you know what I mean. If 2 fall in, I'll just leave them in there. This is if I got a lot of them. Right, I'm waffling now, so I'll cut you off and get back to you when I'm about to cover them in vermiculite. Okay, that's the first lot done. Where I've got quite a few seeds, I have doubled up. So I'm just going to gently just touch them into the compost. Probably don't need to do this, but you know. One of those habits. Just make sure they're in contact. They are anyway. Yeah. And a little sprinkle of fine vermiculite. And I'll leave that one cell at the end with nothing on it because I only had 6 seeds. That'll do. Okay then, so that goes on its little base. I will water in the base just to get the plugs wet and in the Vitapod upstairs. Now there's a thing. Padron chili pepper from Real Seeds. Nothing in there. So I should be on to those in a minute, especially since they cost a couple of quid a packet. Okay, a quick pause while I give you an update on the Padron seeds. I emailed Real Seeds a moment after filming this video. I had a reply within 10 minutes and a new pack of seeds is already on the way. Thanks a lot guys, excellent customer service. Back on with the show. I'll have to use my own for now, saved from last year. I was going to use these in a big tray, but I'll show you that in a minute. I have quite a few. You know I always number my seeds. But isn't it spooky that Citrina and Hello are the same numbers this year as last year, 32 and 33. I'm obviously a creature of habit. Oh dear. Right, let's get these in and then get on with the little tray. I got a few to do in a quarter cell tray as well. Not a great fan of these cellophane packets. They tend to tear. And if you aren't careful with them, you get seeds everywhere. Right, and last row. Here we are, just touch them in a little bit. Clever person would use more than one finger, you know. Never been known to be clever. And there we are, 26 to 32, going upstairs in a minute. And quarter seed tray. Thought I saw a seed there, actually. Schoolboy error, shouldn't really load trays up, etc. over your compost, because you drop the seeds, they go everywhere. Make some dimples with Digwell's patented Lego dibber. Quarter cell tray size, quarter tray size. Oh, I don't know, it still amazes me that. And then Roberts. What I'll do with these, I'll cut that off. Oh, look at that. A little bit of compost on these, I reckon. So there we are then. I'll give all these a bottom water in and stick them in the Vitapod. And we'll check on their progress in a couple of weeks, eh? Good, good, good. Okay then, next up, I want to get some padron sown. I'm doing these in what would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 104 cell Jiffy 7 tray, little tiny Jiffy 7s, little 20mm one, 22, 24mm ones. Now the tray doesn't quite fit into my Vitapod, so I've had to cut one row of cells off. I'll tell you what, these it's a great concept, but you've only got to just ding this and the little pellets inside, they bounce around like mad and you spend ages putting them the right way up again. Just zoom in for you. Little pellets wrapped in a papery, fibery thing, all biodegradable, sort of sealed at the bottom, open at the top with a little hole, little pinprick, and that little pinprick is where you put the seeds. When it swells up, it will be a bigger hole. So what I'm going to do, without further ado, and try not to spring these again, see them all? I'm just going to pour some water in this gravel tray and soak them, and it should take about 5 minutes apparently. Let's see, I have used these in the past, but not on this sort of scale. Oh, I'll bring you back in 5 minutes or so, as they say. So now I have the well, sort of arduous task of sowing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80. 96 seeds. And I've got a few hundred in here, that's for sure. It's quite good because the seeds are just a little bit wider than the stick. So they stay in. I'm happy with that. I reckon that'll do, you know. Oh, you never heard that. Ooh. Let's see how it goes, eh? Not that I'm going to forget, but I'm going to label them anyway. Padron. Hopefully sell some of these for charity. That's the idea behind it anyway. And I got some brassicas to go in as well. Just going through the fridge, looking at my potatoes. I forgot about these. True potato seed that I saved from last year. They're both sprouting and chitting, but number 1 looks quite healthy, even if it has been in the dark for a while. Number 2 looks a bit manky, but there's bits growing on it. So I'm gonna pop them up soon. I'm not gonna cut the eyes. I'm just gonna anyway, got mail call for Steve, all the way from Chicago, isn't it? Chicago. Windy City from Robin. Thanks ever so much, buddy. What a lovely bit of paper as well to write on. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, what have we got? What have we got? Gonna go through them quickly. Tall Snapdragon mix. Luscious spikes and colourful blooms. Do well into the first frosts. That'd be good. Arugula. Rocket. Yeah, I don't mind a bit of rocket. Zinnia. Ooh. Large showy colourful blooms. Great for cut flowers. Strong stems. Cilantro, or is it coriander? Is that the same? Yeah. Yeah, all parts are edible. Red poppies, like poppies. Might put those on the edge of the plot, actually, yeah. Ground cherries. These are Aunt Molly variety. Great for snacking in the garden, he puts. I'll get those in pretty soon, yeah. Oh, look at these. Italian red of Florence bunching spring onions. Scallions. I love all the different words. Yeah, brilliant. I might get those in now, actually. Yeah, leave those to one side. These for a couple of months. Oh, put these in a month's time. Wild Boar Farms. Tim's Taste of Paradise. New release, tomato flavour. Supposed to rival Sun Gold. That'd be good. Let me put these away a minute because they're going to blow away. I'm trying Sun Gold for the first time this year, so it'd be good to grow those alongside them. Dill. Ducat or ducat. I like dill. It's a great companion plant. It grows with just about everything, and it helps just about everything. You know, the smell deters this and that, and yeah. And this one has got a more abundant foliage than the others, so that's good. Lettuce, marvel of four seasons. Tasty and attractive, 1800s French heirloom. French heirloom variety, so that'll be good, yeah. Sunflower teddy bear, everyone's favourite, that one. That can go on the edge of the plot as well. I remember the first time I grew these, the bees loved them, so that'll be good. And this, I'm looking forward to this one as well. I'm trying a few different basils again this year. This one's basil lemon drop. So thanks a lot, Robin, that's great, buddy. And in a day or two, you may well have a package in the post that might give you the edge on a certain competition you're entering. Take care, guys. Oh dear. Right then, what are we going to plant in here? Not those. Yeah, catch you soon. Talking to myself again.